Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with Muhammad Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can we make uranium mineral RGB in the RGB band composite form. As you showing this form, as you see this formula, I'm already estimated uranium in the ratio 1. It's not in the index, it's a ratio 1 because its a value is higher from +1 to -1, because index usually have a same value range and a ratio have a different value range. So that's why we already estimate it with the help of raster calculator. We divided simple the band 6 with a band 5, as you can see it in the word file. Simple, we follow that. Now we get it in the RGB form. So as you can see, RGB means red, green, blue, 3-band composite image, in which we will have a uranium with a clay mineral in the pink color with red shades, like a pink to red shades. So for it we use simple calculator, the tool with this sequence. You need to notice this sequence because this sequence is very essential. If you keep the bands up and down, so the result will not become like this. So that's why you need to copy this sequence. And here some vegetation will be showing with this color. And main thing is that there is also such other shades of a color which showing that if it's with the oxidation, so it will be in the yellow color, showing after this RGB component. And when it will be in the white to greenish color, so it will be the carbonate uranium. So viewers, as you can see now, it's just yellowish and to the brownish color for also this oxidized uranium, and simple like for this whitish to greenish for carbonate uranium. So now we apply this. You need to remember this sequence as we come back to our ArcGIS desktop. Now it's a map interface, and we add the bands which we need here because we already have some bands, but for RGB composite we need 3 bands to make its red, blue, green, blue, red composite. So okay. And now we're going again to show this formula, and now we open with the ArcGIS in the search bar. In the search bar, the band composite tool for which we use. Okay, so we simple select it. So due to the data, it takes time because sometimes signals make its little takes time. So that's why we open our internet connection, because it's a totally offline work. So we don't want to interrupt it, our process. So it will be off. Now our tool is open. Now we paste here these 3 layers and these 3 bands of a Landsat 8 to make its RGB component. So it will be come here, and we also need to change its sequence because the sequence is very necessary. If the sequence are not given to SAM, you keep it same, so your result will be not accurate according to this. So that's why you need to keep sequence as I am showing in a Word file. So one band sequence will be changed, and now we give its name as a uranium RGB because it's an RGB composite image, and we simple OK, then OK, then process is run. We little skip it, so when the process is done we will be showing it's here. So it's proceed, takes little time. So now it's done. As you can see, it's come in the light pink and the pink color, but when we change its properties to symbology and to the scratch type, to the equalize histogram, then this kind of color we will be seen on our map interface. So there is almost a uranium rich area in this district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is Chitral district. All kind of uranium is present here because yellowish color and pink to red color is shown there, and also there is some carbonates carrying uranium also present there. So that's why it's a rich in the uranium. You can compare this image with the index, with the ratio one. Here I am keep its name as RGB, but it's a ratio one which we estimate, and the below one, yeah. So I'm change its name, it's a uranium ratio. So you may compare it with your RGB, and as I am says, the pink color will be there where the high value of uranium ratio showing. So this is our tutorial today. I hope so it will help you. If you like, so subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.